My name is Adi.
I'm Ramesh Malik from Kolkata.
I'm Chowde Gowda. I'm from Bangalore. I'm one of the 3 people selected to represent India in Albania for the GSTrophy finals, which is going to be held in the first week of September. Good teamwork.
Hi guys, I'm Shanavaz and I'm the official instructor on behalf of BMW Motorrad for India and a marshal for GSTrophy 2022 in Albania. Good control. Switch your vision. Yes. Keep looking.
What I gained during this training is how to be mentally very calm, because it's all up here. And if your mind is calm and you and your teammates get along together. What was very challenging was everything we did was at an altitude of between 12 and 15, 16,000 feet. So you had to be very calm and you had only one opportunity to do a particular task.